How to contact Pika AI customer support. If you want to contact the customer support of Pika AI, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we have to simply open up our browser and go to pika.art, or you can download the Pika mobile application and log in to your respective account. After you log in, from the top right hand side you can see your Pika profile. So just make sure to click on that profile name from the top right hand side. You will see a drop down menu, and there you can see the option that says contact support. So what we do is we go ahead and then click the contact support button over there, and when we do that, you can see let us know how we can help. Our team is ready to assist you with any questions or issues. So here you can simply describe your name, and you can type in your subject and describe the issues that you're facing. And once you describe them, just hit the send message button, and you're going to get a reply to this via your email or your Pika account. So this way you can go ahead and then basically contact the customer support of Pika AI. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.